Okay, morning. It is 6:20. Sunrise is in about 30 minutes, and I've just come out to the forest near me to try my hand at some proper landscape photography, where I'm going to be looking for compositions and just taking my time a little bit more rather than just running and shooting when I'm on a trip or on a holiday. So we're going to have a wander around and we're going to see what we can find, and I'll try to explain my thoughts as we go. So we're going to head that way and see what we can see. So this is probably a let's see if I can, it's better. So this is probably something that I would have tried, well in fact I did try last year, and I didn't put any attention into it at all. It's a nice view, but there's no real composition there. There's nothing that's going to make people look twice at a photograph. So we are going to ignore this bit today, and we're going to walk on a bit further around. I'm not sure that I need that anymore. Okay, so I'm on the GoPro now because I've got my camera set up here. Sunrise is officially in about 5 minutes. There's a lovely treading in poo. Fun. Sun's coming up over this way. It's nice and golden over there. I've got what has to be said, not a very good composition with this tree here running down into this water, which I don't think you can see on camera, but I'm racing against the light, and I'm hoping that as the sun comes over these trees here, we will get some sort of burst of light falling over this area here. So check the settings and see what it comes out like. Oh, and now we've got people come in, and I bet they walk through my photo just as the sun comes up. It's 7 o'clock and the sun hasn't made it over the trees yet, and everything has gone really flat. I mean, there wasn't much there anyway, so I think this first attempt could be a washout or a failure, but I must admit the composition is pretty rubbish anyway. I may put a picture up here, I'm not sure. I'm going to give it a few more minutes until the sun comes up right over the trees and see if we get any luck with the light, but I may just have a wander around and try and find something else. Okay, so the sun is just starting to come up now. It is now 20 past 7. God, you have to be patient for this landscape photography malarkey. And what I'm hoping for, which you can't really see on the camera, is there's a little bit of light green grass that I'm hoping is really going to catch the sunlight as it breaks over the trees there and just give this photo something, because it isn't very good. And I'm sorry, I've just been running around and I didn't realise how much after the sunset it was going to take for the sun to actually, how much after the sunrise it was going to be before the sun actually came up beyond those trees. But that's a lesson learned. I had more time than I thought, so I probably could have found another spot, but we're here now. I think any minute I'm hoping to get that burst of light to spread out over the land below me here. So, and if it doesn't, then it doesn't. So the sun came through, it illuminated exactly how I thought it was, which was comforting that what I predicted was going to happen did happen, and then clouds come across, which has killed the sun, and I think the moment has gone. But like I said before, the composition was pretty rubbish anyway. So I am gonna pack up. I'll give it a few more minutes and see if that cloud clears. I should have brought my sunglasses, but I'm not sure that it will. Because I think the way the cloud is blowing, there is a lot more behind it. So let's move on. Okay, so where are we? I am way too close. This tree here, see if I can. So this tree behind me here, I've just spotted. Two things I like is the twisty trunk I like, and the colour of it with the sun hitting it. I can see it's going to be bright white, and it's going to make a nice picture. The one thing I don't like is the support. You can see there's a stake holding it upright, so I'm going to see what I can do with that, but we're going to see if this is going to be a photo. Okay, the sun is pretty harsh now, so I've taken a couple of shots of that tree. This is the latest one, which just about here there's a cluster of purple heather, which probably doesn't show up on the camera, and then we have the tree. So I've tried to use a foreground and the tree in the background, and we'll see what that comes out like. But I'm really enjoying just wandering around, taking my time looking. So we're going to move on somewhere else and see what, probably can't see me because of the sun, see what else we can find. Before I go on, I've never been to this part before. All around there we've come loads of times on bike rides and stuff. I've never ventured down this way. It all looks very flat and there doesn't seem to be, nothing's striking me to go over and check out, but I'm going to go for a little walk and we'll circle around and see if there's anything that jumps up at me, looking for another. I don't know, I think the sun's up now, it's really bright. I think the morning is coming to an end for me. Maybe try and find something a little bit more detailed, a little bit more intimate. Don't know, we're going to have a look. So I think we are done for the day. Explored this little bit, maybe a couple of photos there that you've seen that were average. I guess lesson learned from this one is to be patient. You're not going to get a great photo every time you come out, and do it again. So until next time, we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching, see you next time.